Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Upstox account has funds and delivery buying enabled. This matters because Btst uses normal delivery trades rather than intraday. Next, scan for liquid stocks with tight spreads and adequate volume so you can exit next day without slippage. Once done, glance at corporate actions and news that could block settlement. Make sure there's no upcoming X-date or trading halt. Then add your chosen script to Market Watch and set limit prices you're comfortable executing at today. Now place a delivery buy order in Upstox. Choose regular or delivery, not intraday, and enter a limit price tied to current liquidity. This reduces unwanted fills. If volatility is high, prefer a staged entry or a tight limit instead of a market order to control cost. Monitor order fill and time of day because late fills near close can increase overnight event risk. Once your buy executes, note the trade confirmation and the expected settlement status so you can plan the next day sell. On the next trading day, place a delivery sell to exit the Btst position. Again, use a limit price aligned with market depth. If you need speed, a market sell can be used but expect slippage. If your sell doesn't fill, widen the limit gradually or execute partial sells to reduce exposure. If brokerage blocks or corporate events prevent exit, contact Upstox support promptly and monitor settlement status and margin impact. Finally, reconcile P&L and taxes so you know the trade outcome and costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.